Junior Gomez is asking, been watching my videos for a while, big help, thank you, appreciate that. So you're saying you'll be using the two-step funnel, fine. You have prepared 2 videos ads to capture intent, right? Is it better to use ABO first to know which video is better and use video for tier 1, or put both video in tier 1 and let Facebook do the work? Very good question, very good question. Both way work. So you have to choose. But fundamentally, here's the thing, okay? For everyone who know me, I'm not a CBO person, okay? But that's the thing. Sometimes people argue that the CBO works better. What is CBO? CBO means the campaign budget optimization. That's like if you have multiple ad sets, you do not know which one will do better, right? You set the campaign level budget setting, which Facebook automatically optimize and find which one will get you better result. They will spend more money on that. That's what they promise. But based on my previous experience, CBO doesn't really work well. So I'm very much a pro ABO person. I love asset budget optimization because I love to have full control on which one I like, which one I spend more, and I want the control of, to be able to adjust it as and when I want to. So that's me. So basically, yeah, both way works, but I would go for the ABO. 2 ads, right? You either want to go for ABO, meaning that you have 2 ad sets running at both ads, and you do more like an even distribution of the budget on that. You can. But you want to do a bit of exclusion to make sure that it's not overlapping, because technically you're not running a so-called split test, which your audience may see both ads at the same time. So you just want to make sure that you're not wasting too much money on this part, okay? Also, if you want to actually have a better idea, you can also consider doing split tests. So there are many ways to do this, but nonetheless, I would say you're on the right track. You're asking a good question. So what I would say is either you do 2 ad set, 2 ads in each, individually, and you see which one works better over maybe like 7 days, but you need to make sure that the exclusion is done right. Or you can actually run a split test for about 3 to 7 days to see which one is a winner. If you want to decide a winner, if you need to decide a winner, that's the thing.